This is a tutorial for how to use the grades 4 to 8 Schoology classroom template. So I'm on the Schoology homepage for our district, and this is a shell class that has been created by Lisa Milliard and Angela McNeil that I'm going to click in to start setting up. So once I get in here, I see that in my materials page there's nothing there. So to start using the template, I am going to go under Add Materials, Import from Resources. Once I get there, I'm going to go here to the Group Resources. And to use the grades 4 to 8 course template, I see it right here. I'm actually, instead of just importing the entire folder as it is, I'm going to individually import all of the items within the folder. So I'm going to click on that. So everything from that folder will import. And for now, I am going to import all of these other little pieces, some which I'll have to probably eventually delete. So now I have everything in here, but I'm going to rearrange a little bit because a few things are out of order. So the welcome, I actually want on the very top, and this is instructing me for where to put my Bitmoji classroom and how it should look displaying it in line. It's kind of showing me how to do that. And then down here is actually a link to Bitmoji classroom templates in Google Slides. So if I click on that, I see that there are these two templates, and under File, I can click Make a Copy and either the entire presentation or selected slides. So then I could start using one of those templates if I so choose to make my own Bitmoji classroom. Once I've made that, I would edit and I would delete this Bitmoji classroom, and under Insert Content, I would go to my Google Drive resource app and import from my Google Drive. So I could either import the Bitmoji classroom as a Google slide, or if I download it as a PDF, everything in the classroom will still be clickable, and I can import it like that. I check it and then click Import Embed. So that's how I would change this page. And of course, I would delete this picture that's kind of showing me how to do that, and I would delete this link down here and all of that. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as is. Then I would go down and I'd actually, again, kind of rearrange things how I want to use them. So to me, it makes sense right after the Welcome Bitmoji Classroom to have the Welcome Start Here folder right underneath that. And when I want to edit that, again, I go over to the little gear over here, click Edit. I can change the color of the folder. I can delete all of this text and put in what I want. I can insert an image in this space or even a video. I can have beginning and end dates. I can also decide if I'm not ready to publish it and unpublish it. Let's try that. So you see I changed the color to green, and right now it's unpublished, so it's actually kind of grayed out. Then the big bulk of content here is within this course assignments folder. So again, to edit this actual folder, I would click on the gear over there. I'd delete all of this because that's just kind of instructional content. Maybe I want to change this one to orange. I might want to add some dates for the trimester, maybe not. Again, I can change the publishing date. And then within there, I need to set up all of my folders for either weeks or units. So just this first folder currently has anything in it, just kind of as samples and examples. But I could change the color of every folder, again, going over to the gears. Within each folder, I can put pages, assignments, discussion boards, assessments, or anything else available under these Add Materials. These samples I would ultimately want to delete or manipulate. At least I might edit it to make it work for me. So currently you see on this page sample, it just kind of shows how to do different things. But if I just deleted the items out of this, then I could use this page. So once I've modified any information in the course assignments, I can go down here to course resources, and I may decide, you know what, I don't really have anything I want to include in course resources. I don't have any websites or periodic tables and math formulas or anything like that that I want to include, so maybe I'll just go delete. Or maybe I will think, you know, this is where I will have just my approved website, so I'll change the name of that folder to approved websites and have links to websites within there. So if students are done with work, they know they can go there. And again, maybe I'll have a date range in here. I could have a beginning date and then an ending date. And then lastly, right now there's only the calendar in here, but eventually once there's a finalized handbook, I can put that in there as well for parents and students to refer to. So that is kind of the nuts and bolts of how to use the course template for grades 4 to 8. Let us know if you have questions.